And what is alloying? Alloying is an effective method of improving the properties of metals by combining a metal with one or more other elements. So alloy बनाने के लिए हम किसी भी मेटल को दूसरे मेटल के साथ या फिर नॉन मेटल के साथ कंबाइन करते हैं. तो इसको समझते हैं एक एग्जाम्पल से. Let's take the example of iron, which is commonly alloyed to improve its properties. Pure iron is soft and malleable, making it unsuitable for many practical uses. But when a small amount of carbon is mixed with iron, it forms an alloy known as steel. तो जो आप स्टील के यूटेंसिल्स देखते हो ना, उसमें किसका मिक्सचर है? कार्बन का और आयरन का, दोनों का. तो इन दोनों के मिक्सचर से क्या होता है? जो सॉफ्ट आयरन था वो हार्ड बन जाता है और स्ट्रॉन्गर बन जाता है. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट स्टेनलेस स्टील? Stainless steel is also an alloy. When iron is alloyed with other elements such as nickel and chromium, stainless steel is produced. Stainless steel exhibits excellent corrosion resistance, hardness and durability, and it does not rust. That's why stainless steel is used in kitchen utensils, in medical equipments and in construction materials. Thus, if iron is mixed with some other substance, its properties change. In fact, the properties of any metal can be changed if it is mixed with some another substance. The substance added may be a metal or a non-metal as well. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. It is prepared by first melting the primary metal and then dissolving the other elements in definite proportions. It is then cooled to room temperature. So that means जो मेन मेटल है जिसमें हमें किसी दूसरे मेटल को मिक्स करना है, सबसे पहले हम उसको मेल्ट करते हैं और उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं बड़े बड़े फर्नेसेस. और जब प्राइमरी मेटल मोल्टन स्टेट में आ जाता है तो उसमें हम दूसरे मेटल या नॉन मेटल्स को ऐड करते हैं, बट ये जो एडिशन है ये एक डेफिनेट प्रपोर्शन में होना चाहिए. और अब हम इस मिक्सचर को ठंडा करते हैं. द मोल्टन एलॉय इज कूल्ड टू रूम टेम्परेचर. ड्यूरिंग द कूलिंग प्रोसेस द एटम्स इन द एलॉय अरेंज देमसेल्व्स into a specific crystal lattice structure based on the composition and nature of the alloying elements. This controlled process allows for the creation of alloys with tailored properties to meet specific application requirements. If one of the metal is mercury, then the alloy is known as an अमलगम. यानी दोनों में से एक मेटल भी अगर मर्क्यूरी है, हम किसी भी मेटल में मर्क्यूरी को मिक्स कर रहे हैं या फिर प्राइमरी मेटल अगर मर्क्यूरी है, तो जो एलॉय बनेगा उसको हम कहते हैं अमलगम. The electricity conductivity and melting point of an alloy is less than that of pure metals. For example, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and another alloy is bronze, which is made up by copper and tin. Both alloys, brass and bronze, are not good conductors of electricity, whereas copper is used for making electric circuits. यानी कॉपर में हमने अगर कुछ और मिक्स कर दिया तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज ही चेंज हो गई. अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी उससे कंडक्ट ही नहीं हो रही है. आपने बहुत बार इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर्स के रिपेयरिंग में सोल्डर देखा होगा, जो कि सिल्वर कलर का होता है. Solder is also an alloy which is made up of lead and tin. It has a low melting point and is used for welding electrical wires together. Do you know your gold is also an alloy? Because the pure gold which is known as 24 karat gold, is very soft. So it is not possible to make jewelry from them. That's why it is alloyed. It is alloyed with either silver or copper to make it hard. Generally in India, 22 karat gold is used for making ornaments. It means that 22 parts of pure gold is alloyed with 2 parts of either copper or silver. One more thing we want to tell you. The iron pillar near the Qutub Minar in Delhi was built more than 1600 years ago by the iron workers of India. They had developed a process which prevented iron from rusting. So this iron pillar is not rusted yet, even though it is exposed in environment also.